So you're brand new to fascia. Well, welcome. There is a fascinating world that lies ahead and within, especially if you are in pain and finding yourself needing to heal, or if you're more focused on a path of soul growth or self-discovery. Utilizing your body's wisdom by way of the fascial system can help you decrease pain, reduce tension, open tight areas in the body, all while calming the mind, soothing frayed nerves, and finding clarity from within. In this video, we're going to talk about 2 common ways to address your fascial health. My name is Renee Allen. I'm the owner of Still Point Myofascial Release here just outside of Portland, Maine, and I guide you through the process of navigating physical pain, mental angst and fatigue, or spiritual stagnation by way of the fascial system. Understanding the importance of fascial health is an eye-opening education that gives you some powerful tools to lean on your body's wisdom as you journey through this modern world. In this video, we're going to cover 2 of the most common ways to learn about and tend to your fascial health. But first, let's cover a quick Cliff Notes version of fascia. Fascia is a 3-dimensional web of connective tissue that is found everywhere in the body. From the skin to the cellular level, the fascial system is the environment of every single cell in the body. And in a healthy state, the fascial system should be a gel fluid-like system that slides and glides around all other structures in the body so you can move with ease and also move with a sense of support. Through trauma, overuse, abuse, habitual postural misalignment, life, basically, this system that should be gel and fluid-like, as you move through life, this gel fluid-like system becomes solidified. And it's that solidification is what we call a fascial restriction. And this solidification of the fascial tissue over time, these fascial restrictions that develop, will begin to cause you symptoms. They're going to start to grab your attention. They can start to cause you pain, make you feel stuck from the inside out. And it's quite a wide range of symptoms that can result from fascial restrictions. They can be physical, emotional, mental, or spiritual in nature. And it is connective tissue after all, so it is indeed all connected. And so one way to gain more insight into your own fascial system is by seeking out a skilled myofascial release practitioner. Your fascia literate therapist will do a thorough health history intake, discuss your current symptoms and concerns. They'll give you an education on the process of what fascial restrictions feel like in your body and can give you some understanding of how these fascial restrictions are playing a part in your symptoms. And then they'll offer you a highly individualized, one-on-one, hands-on myofascial release session. This is most often done in a private setting on a massage table. And this bit of therapeutic heaven lasts anywhere from 30 to 90 minutes or more, depending on your needs and how your practitioner has their practice set up. Another way to learn and care for your fascial health is through a practice of myofascial self-care. Myofascial self-care is an always accessible DIY in the comfort of your own home approach. You will use tools such as a foam roller and balls to apply pressure into those tight areas of the body that are causing you pain. And so, like your fascia literate myofascial release practitioner would use their hands in a manual approach to therapy to find and feel those fascial restrictions in your body, myofascial self-care utilizes the tools, the balls, and the rollers to offer the system that same kind of sustained pressure. And again, the commonality of each approach is an exploration to find these fascial restrictions, apply sustained pressure into an area, and elicit a release. And the fascial release is what we're looking for. It can minimize your symptoms, it can decrease pain, rid your body of excess tension, calm and soothe a weary mind, and create an inner sense of freedom, leaving you feeling better in your body, and more importantly, leaving you to better understand what you are feeling in your body. And so after 20 years of therapeutically touching bodies and releasing fascial tissue, I can honestly say that both of these modalities are winners. Engaging the fascial system is the objective, and both one-on-one work and myofascial self-care can effectively get the job done and done well. So where do you start? Depending on your unique situation and how acutely in need you are, will play a part in where you should begin your fascial journey. You could ask yourself, are you currently in crisis mode and you believe your situation to be beyond the scope of self-care at this moment? Do you have access to a fascia literate therapist? Do you have the funds to dedicate to one-on-one therapy? Are you a self-care enthusiast who is eager to deepen your wellness routine? And keep in mind, where you begin does not mean that your fascial journey is not going to ebb and flow over time. Meaning, myofascial release clients and patients can and should effectively add in myofascial self-care to enhance their one-on-one therapy experience. And those with a healthy, hearty, robust myofascial self-care practice may need a skilled practitioner from time to time as life unfolds and things happen and the body's needs change. So just know, however you begin to care for your fascial system, the most important part is actually beginning. And so if you want more info on how to DIY your fascial approach, I will link in the comments or the description below of wherever you're watching this video, because it's important to ask, what have you done to tend to your fascia lately? I appreciate your time here today, and I look forward to continuing on with you on your fascial journey. Take good care.